Matthew Adama, aka Bassmatics. You're welcome once again to my channel, Bassmatics Online Bass and Music Lessons. It's been a minute, yeah. And today's lesson is very, very interesting because if you're going to continue your journey of playing the bass professionally, it's very important to master the fretboard. So today's lesson is on mastering your fretboard. If today is your first time encountering this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can always get first-time notification whenever a video is posted here. Let's go. So I'm going to be playing a couple of things and then break down how it became possible for me to be able to move around the fretboard freely. Okay, now you can see I'm playing even without looking. So I'm simply using a technique that is understanding relationships between notes. Now I'm playing the major scale. Of course, if you follow this lesson from 1 to 11, you would understand what a major scale is. That's a major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So now, knowing the relationships between these notes, of course, if you follow the lesson from 1, you would understand that there is root, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. And it doesn't end here, it continues all the way down. So now understanding that will make you play something like root, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Just play do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Alright, so now if you know this is do, re, mi, you know there's fa. Once you have fa, there's there is an exercise I'm going to give you that will help you master the fretboard. 7th movement. So it's like you playing ascending and descending. You're doing. This is 7th. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. That's do, mi, so, ti. Do, mi, so, ti. Then you descend with. Instead of doing. I'm supposed to actually do. So you see it now. Now, if you understand this arpeggio movement, 7th chord arpeggio movement, it's going to help you master the fretboard. So we start from. There are different fingering I'm using actually. I'm going to do it slowly. I'll do ascending and descending all the way down. So I'll do it slowly. I'll call the notes do, mi, so, ti, do, la, fa, re, mi, so, ti, re, mi, do, la, fa, so, ti, re, fa, so, mi, do, la, ti, re, fa, la, ti, so, mi, do, mi, so, ti, do, la, fa, mi, so, ti, re, mi, do, la, fa, so, ti, re, fa, so, mi, do, la, ti, re, fa, la, ti, so, mi, do. So if you want to descend, do, mi, so, ti, la, fa, re, ti, la, do, mi, so, fa, re, ti, so, fa, la, do, re, ti, so, mi, re, fa, la, do, ti, so, mi. I'll do the descending again. Do, mi, so, ti, la, fa, re, ti, la, do, mi, so, fa, re, ti, so, fa, la, do, re, ti, so, mi, re, fa, la, do, ti, so, mi, do. I don't know if I'm too fast, but let me make it slow. Do, mi, so, ti, la, fa, re, ti, la, do, mi, so, fa, re, ti, so, fa, la, do, mi, re, ti, so, mi, re, fa, la, do, ti, so, mi, do. So ascending, do, mi, so, ti, do, la, fa, re, mi, so, ti, re, mi, do, la, fa, so, ti, re, fa, so, mi, do, la, ti, re, fa, la, ti, so, mi, do, mi, so, ti, la, fa, re, ti, la, do, mi, so, fa, re, ti, so, fa, la, do, mi, re, ti, so, mi, re, fa, la, do, ti, so, mi, do. If you can learn this, trust me, you'll be able to master the fretboard. Because as you're learning the position, be mindful of what finger I was using to play what. Alright, that's very, very important. The right fingering is also very, very important when it comes to bass playing. You have to know the right fingering for each of the notes you're playing. So knowing the right fingering is very, very key. So using that same idea, the fact that there's do, re, mi here, then there's fa, la, do, fa, fa, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, do, I'm using pentatonic scale here. So you see it now. You can do the same thing here. This will help you master the fretboard. So I hope you've been able to achieve something today. If you did that, drop a comment and share with friends and families. And don't forget, if you want to subscribe for a private lesson with me, distance is no barrier. Just send a WhatsApp message to that number on the screen and I will respond promptly. So we can set you up for your unique lessons that will tidy up the things you're finding hard to do. All right, see you again. I love you. Bassmatics is my name.